doing what it is. Team Orange looks like they just might be winning it. It was a very close match in the last game as well. This one here looking good. Oh, and it's just on the other side. So here you go, Taylor, last chance. Get control of it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Look at that, Taylor. Haha, Taylor. Right on, man. Unbelievable. You actually got it. You nailed it. That is fantastic. We are now in overtime. Play of the game right there. Taylor making it matter. That's hilarious. What are the odds, man? Well done. And Taylor, by the way, you are the star of this entire bloody tournament. First getting the last goal in overtime, now in real overtime. 44 seconds in, Team Blue somehow coughed up a win on the entire thing.